Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app. To know how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn, you should just go to settings. After that, you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of LinkedIn app and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app. And in the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.